Welcome to ChatGPT. Today we are going to talk about how ChatGPT helps improve customer service for businesses. ChatGPT allows businesses to communicate with customers in real time. You can interact with customers on multiple platforms. ChatGPT eliminates the need to wait on hold. ChatGPT reduces response time to customer inquiries. Customers can get the help they need quickly. The chatbot provides consistent and accurate information. It helps manage multiple customer inquiries simultaneously. It improves customer satisfaction levels. It enables businesses to handle complex inquiries efficiently. You can automate customer interactions and support. It enhances customer engagement and loyalty. ChatGPT provides detailed analytics and insights. Businesses can monitor and measure their customer interactions. It enables businesses to personalize customer interactions. You can tailor the chatbot to specific industries and businesses. It reduces customer churn and increases retention. It offers 24/7 customer support. It helps businesses scale their customer service operations. You can integrate ChatGPT with your existing systems. The chatbot is easy to use and implement. It eliminates the need for businesses to hire additional staff. Customers can access the chatbot on any device. It enhances business reputation and credibility. You can use ChatGPT to deliver targeted marketing messages. It helps businesses save time and resources. Businesses can focus on other critical areas. It streamlines customer service operations. You can customize the chatbot to meet specific needs. ChatGPT offers a chat transcription feature. It eliminates miscommunications and misunderstandings. You can easily transfer chats to human agents. It allows businesses to provide seamless support. ChatGPT uses artificial intelligence and machine learning. It provides real-time recommendations for customer inquiries. Businesses can train the chatbot to improve performance. ChatGPT supports multiple languages. It improves customer experience for non-English speaking clients. You can use ChatGPT for sales and lead generation. It helps businesses identify and convert leads. ChatGPT enables businesses to stay ahead of competitors. It helps businesses stay connected and engaged with their customers. In conclusion, ChatGPT is an excellent tool for businesses to improve customer service.
Hey, this is Chapo North. Thanks again for watching the video. If you'd like to get more videos like this, click the link below this video, and we'll have some more videos for you that you can watch that will teach you how to use ChatGPT for beginners. Thanks again. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.